Welcome back to the workshop. Hello. Welcome back to the workshop. Good day to you. I got a little bit of a head start without you guys today. I've already constructed one of the benches. I obviously wanted to do it before I videoed it, so I didn't look like an idiot. I started putting on the first leg of the second bench, and now we're about to get on to the last leg of the second bench, which is the last bench, and then we're done. When I'm spacing things out, I use things that I have as spacers rather than measuring. Much quicker, easier, faster, all the above. My second way of measuring is with my fingers. Moment of truth, putting it on the floor. Yeah, done. Easy peasy. That's now 2 benches finished. I'm doing it's only a 5-foot table, so it only needs the 2 benches. Now onto the table legs. I'm going to go with my old doodabby and see what the angle of the existing table of what I've already made is. I made a measuring boo-boo. Good thing I have plenty of wood. All the legs are cut to the correct size, hopefully. There was a few mistakes, but we'll forget about that. These ones are right. This is the wood preservative that I'm using. It says it's for wood. It smells kind of like petrol, so can't be a bad thing. Kind of like an oily substance. Yeah, it's not the cheapest stuff in the world, but it is good. I used it on my decking, the subframe, and it's lasted so far. So that's it, guys. It's the end of the part 3. and the table is complete, and I'll put some pictures after I've finished spieling. Remember to give me a little thumbs up at the end of this, and if you like what you see, subscribe to my channel, press the little ding dang down there, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.